materials. We're working in cycles. So this is how the original lamp's going to look. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to press the plus just in the corner here. We're going to go with new, and then we're going to go with emission. I'm just going to turn that up a little bit. Press a sign. So now we have kind of like a button kind of light. And now we're going to go to faces. And we're just going to select, I'll put this on the normal view so you guys can see. We're going to select this entire ring just around here. So if you press shift, control, and then click, and then just click around the ring as you go. Should highlight practically everything. We're going to go effect extrude. Now, at this point, we just pressed 1 on the number pad, so that you've got a side view. I'm just going to move this up a little bit. And we want to go to X-ray mode at the top. We're going to box select, so you can do B for box select, so you can just drag your cursor across. This is going to be our new material, so we're going to plot new, so the plus, go to new. This one's going to be glass. Click assign, go back to your render view, and this is what you should have in the object mode. So it's just basic glass looking kind of lamp. So now we're going to make variations from this. So this is going to be the original lamp, and then I'm going to show you how to make different textures on here, different colours on here. Just basically make like some crazy stuff. So we're going to go ahead and go into the shading tab, which is the shading tab is just up here. 1 second. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to change some of these things. So for this material we want emission. So at the moment we are on the material that's in the middle. So this circular bit right here, that's where the emission is going to come through.